The day began before the sun showed up, 3:45 a.m. We were already awake, running on excitement. By 5:15 a.m., a few of us met up, piled into an Uber, and started the journey to NMACC Mumbai. The goal was simple and huge at the same time. Perform a traditional bachata routine at Rhythms of Change, curated by Saiba, Team Dance Design, and DJ AV. Somewhere between laughs, random conversations, and a surprisingly serious fruit versus vegetable debate, the ride flew by. Of course, chai was non-negotiable. We stopped at a highway food court with dreams of omelets, dreams that ended quickly because it wasn't open yet. What was open saved the moment. Hot vada pav, poha, and breakfast straight off the stove. Instant mood lift. Tech rehearsal was scheduled for 10:30 a.m. We left Pune early to beat the infamous BKC traffic and reached at 9 a.m. So early that the staff hadn't even got our names yet. But things moved fast. Wristbands on, access sorted, and then came the line that made it feel real. The artists are here. Backstage at NMACC for the first time. No expectations, just curiosity. Some of us rested, some searched for tea, and slowly the space filled up as other artists arrived. Friends, hugs, conversations, laughter. Being surrounded by dancers at Rhythms of Change felt grounding, familiar, and special all at once. A quick warm-up, some biscuits, more chai, and it was time for tech. That's when we saw it, the stage. And yes, giant sunflowers right in front of us. Tech rehearsal began, guided by Sahiba, who shared tips and cues in her quirky yet reassuring way. We were genuinely grateful to be there. When this routine was choreographed, it was never meant for a stage like this. And yet, here we were, excited to share the flavor and groove of traditional bachata in such a beautiful setting. We marked positions, fixed spacing, and then danced like it was the real thing. Because this routine never feels like a performance, it's an absolute party. Lunch was incredible, so delicious that we even forgot to record a video, so here's a shot of our dinner. We attempted to rest after that. Attempted being the key word. High tea came next because no artist shall go hungry or without tea at NMACC. As the evening approached, it was time to switch gears. Costumes stayed simple and easy, sleeveless bachata tees and denim shorts for the guys, red tops, denims, and cute hairdos for the girls. The girls got ready, the guys were already done and chilling. Transition reel, done. At 8 p.m., the show began. From the dressing room, we watched Rhythms of Change come alive. A very interesting journey showcasing the changes in salsa, bachata, and kizomba over the years, beautifully explained by Sahiba. After powerful salsa and kizomba performances, it was finally our turn. The nerves disappeared the moment we stepped on stage. What stayed was joy and connection and a whole lot of fun. Once the show ended, the stage transformed into a social dance floor as DJ AV took over and the true heart of an Afro-Latin event revealed itself. Photos followed, dinner followed, smiles stayed. Then finally, we made our way back to Pune. A long day, full hearts, memories logged in. One we'll always remember.